Are you still troubled by issues such as motor vibration and noise? You need to improve the balance of the motor's outer rotor during the production phase. This automatic dispensing and balancing machine can provide satisfactory balance detection and correction effects. Simply start the equipment to automatically complete product transportation, flipping, initial imbalance testing, balance correction, cleaning, and other processes. The equipment supports integration into the production line according to production needs, and enables reasonable production layout, including equipment placement, production line processes, material flow paths, etc. Multiple production lines operate simultaneously, significantly improving product testing efficiency and meeting the needs of large-scale production.